Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And in this video, we're going to show how to do this one. It's a one row repeat. I'll do this pattern. So I think this particular, I'm using some scrap yarn. It has cotton, so it might be a dishcloth. You can make this in a scarf, a blanket, or whatever. So, all right, we're going to proceed. So I'm going to let you know, if you were just starting from the beginning, you would make a chain that is divisible by 2, and then we'll do 1 single crochet. So plus 2, okay, a chain divisible by 2, and then plus we'll chain 1. So it will be in the second chain from hook if you're from the chain, but it's after the chain. I think I got a double. I got 2 crochet. There we go. So in case, it would be like this would have been the second chain from hook, or in this first stitch. We are going to do a long single crochet. So we're going to draw up a loop, yarn over, draw a loop, and yarn over and draw through 2 loops. And then the next stitch is the special stitch. So we're going to put our hook in the same stitch we were just in, draw up a loop, put our hook in the next stitch or the next chain, draw up a loop, and then we're going to yarn over and go through all 3 of those loops. There we go. And then the next stitch, we would do our long single crochet, which is put our hook in a stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through 1 more loop, yarn over, oh, not yet. And then we're going to put, oh, yep, no, you were right, we finish it off. And now we'll draw through 2 loops. Then we're going to put our hook in the same stitch we just worked in, draw up a loop, put our hook in the next stitch, draw up a loop, then yarn over and draw through all 3 loops. Yeah, so again, next stitch, we do our long single crochet. And we put our hook in the same stitch we just did, draw up a loop, put the hook in the next stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over and draw through all 3 loops. Then we just finish that across. All right. I'm at the last 2 rows. So like before, the next stitch will be just a long single crochet. Then we insert the hook in the same stitch we just worked in, draw up a loop, the hook in the last stitch, we get it in the last stitch, yarn over and draw through loop, and yarn over and draw through all 3 loops, chain 1 and turn, and that's it. You repeat that row. First stitch is a elongated single crochet, so you put your hook in, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through 1 more loop, and yarn over and draw through 2 loops, put the hook in the same stitch, draw up a loop, put the hook in the next stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over and draw through all 3 loops. The next stitch is your long single crochet. And we do our special single stitch, which we put our hook back in the same stitch we just worked in, draw up a loop, in the next stitch, draw up a loop, and draw through all 3 loops. That is it. That is your 1 row repeat. It says as long as you make a chain even by 2, your hook, your yarn, just use it. I don't even know what this size is. Maybe it's on here. There it is. This is, oh, this is only 4mm, but then again, this is only a size 3 hook. So, elongated single, elongated single, getting ahead of myself. Then the special single, special stitch. Alright, I'm going to just finish up this project. If you did like this tutorial, please give a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye now.